In this video, I'm going to show you how to change slide size in LibreOffice Impress quickly and easily. This is super useful if you want your presentation to match a widescreen display, a standard projector, or a specific layout for school, work, or online sharing. If you've ever opened a presentation and realized the slide proportions just don't look right, this simple setting can fix that in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the Start Center. On the left side, under Create, click Impress Presentation if you want to start a new presentation. If you already have a file you want to adjust, you can open that existing presentation instead. Either way works, and the steps are the same once your presentation is open. Now that you're inside Impress, look at the top menu bar. Find the slide menu and click it. This is where you can access slide-specific settings, including the page setup that controls the overall size of your slides. From the drop-down, click Page Properties. This opens the settings window where you can change the format of your presentation. Inside Page Properties, look for the Format drop-down. This is the key setting that controls your slide dimensions. If you want a modern widescreen look for TVs, monitors, YouTube content, or most online presentations, choose Screen 16:9. If you need a more traditional layout, such as for older projectors or standard classroom slides, choose Screen 4:3. LibreOffice gives you other options too, but these two are the most common for everyday use. Once you've selected the slide size you want, double check that it matches the purpose of your presentation. If you're making a presentation for a wide display, 16:9 is usually the best choice. If you're printing slides or using a classic setup, 4:3 may be better. Choosing the right format now saves you from formatting problems later, especially with images, text boxes, and backgrounds. After you've made your selection, click OK to apply the changes. LibreOffice Impress will update the slide size for the entire presentation. Depending on what content is already on your slides, you may need to adjust a few elements so everything fits neatly within the new page layout. That's completely normal whenever you change slide dimensions. If your presentation already has text or graphics on it, take a moment to review each slide after changing the size. Sometimes objects shift slightly, and you may want to reposition them for a cleaner look. This is especially important if you switch from 4:3 to 16:9 or the other way around, because the proportions of the canvas are different, and that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can change the slide size in LibreOffice Impress and make your presentation fit exactly the way you want. Whether you're preparing a class presentation, a business deck, or a video export, this setting can make a big difference in how professional your slides look. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.